This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo, Las Vegas 2015. I have with me Chris Dakota, Neah Power Systems. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is NPWZ. Chris, welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
It's good to have you. I want to first start with an overview of the company, if you would.
Neah is a renewable energy company. We've got three products: a fuel cell technology that operates without air in anaerobic environments. We have a hydrogen on-demand system, and we have a consumer product that enables an off-grid lifestyle. All these three products are covered by 12 patents, 4 pending patents, and 8 patent applications as well.
So let's start. Give me an example of your particularly most important product coming in the near term.
So the first product, what we call the Powerchip, it's a fuel cell that's based on computer chip manufactured technology. We most recently shipped 3 units to the government of India. They signed off and accepted it in the early part of January. That leads to a licensing agreement that we are negotiating with them. So that product, we've got defense and commercial entities that have expressed very high interest in that product.
So how does it work? And where does the enhancement to existing technology come in?
So we take traditional computer chip technology, use that to build a fuel cell. So we've demonstrated 2.5 times better performance than the next best alternative. Because we are using older chip technology, it's very capital efficient, so it's very low cost and easy to manufacture. It's the only fuel cell that can operate without air. So that is a very unique capability that we've got. You carry fuel and oxidant, they react at the chip, and that generates energy. That energy can be used as a conventional energy source at that point.
So give me an example. If I had it and I put it into a product, give me an example of what that product would be.
So a couple good examples are use of fuel cells at very high altitudes where the air is very thin. So there's no air, so you've got to carry an oxidant on board. So soldiers who are fighting at 20,000 feet elevation, this is a very viable product for them. I can't describe specific applications because of disclosure requirements that we've got. Another application would be defense suppliers who are building underwater unmanned vehicles that operate, as we saw during the Gulf spill and other areas. You've got these torpedo-shaped equipment. By replacing a battery with a fuel cell, you can take that mission endurance from anywhere to 3 to 4 times as long as you have with your current battery technology. Fuel cells for the equivalent weight or volume give you 3 to 4 times longer mission endurance, and that's the value proposition.
So does it make sense in everyday electric vehicles that we drive around on today's freeways?
So for our second product, what we call the hydrogen on-demand technology, this is really geared for those type of applications. Today, for automotives, there's a talk about hydrogen fuel cells for the next generation, but if you think about it, there is no viable path to get hydrogen to that car. They either strap cylinders of compressed hydrogen and you're effectively sitting on a rocket at that point, or you're looking at alternate technologies that putting a pipeline that takes hydrogen to every gas station. So what we have is a liquid source, what we call Formira. We run it through a reformer that then generates just the hydrogen that you need. Formira, from a safety standpoint, comparable to a household cleaner. It's a lot safer than even gasoline and diesel.
That's interesting.
Very exciting.
So it sounds to me like then you just have to get into the marketplace, get adoption, and once it's adopted, you have the clear path to market, and your growth is exponential. I mean, yeah. I'm not trying to put words in your mouth.
Yeah. We are very excited and enthusiastic about this product. We've signed a teaming agreement with a company in Australia called Tectonica, where they are packaging this product into their product platforms for soldier applications. Imagine if you're a soldier, you can take your backpack of 65 kilograms of batteries down to about 20 kilograms of batteries. That's huge savings. You don't have a thermal or noise signature to give away your position. We also have an agreement with a drone company, unmanned aerial vehicle, to incorporate the fuel cell into the drone. That would take the drone mission from 2 hours to 8 hours. So these are some of the very pragmatic, immediate opportunities that we are beginning to capitalize on. But beyond that, we've got preliminary discussions with automotive manufacturers as well. Those tend to have a little longer development cycle, but it is very exciting. We believe we've got a very compelling product.
Who developed it?
This technology came to Neah through an acquisition that the company made in December 2013. We acquired the assets of a company that used to be called Techion, and this technology came about through $26 million that was invested into Techion that we acquired in the December 2013 timeframe.
Now, let me get your website to give out to our audience for more information.
Our website is neahpower.com, neahpower.com. We are very excited to have people following our company. We are very enthusiastic about our products as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Dakota, Neah Power Systems. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is NPWZ. I'm Shelly Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. Chris, great to see you.
Thank you, Shelly. Pleasure to be here.
Good to have you.
Thank you.